Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have come back with very tasty recipe that to kids special favorite recipe, that is chicken nuggets. It can always be served in your iftar and also you can use it in suhoor for entertaining your kids too. Quickly let's get started with the recipe. I have taken 2 slices of bread, nicely break down into small pieces and soak it in milk. Do not add too much milk, add very little milk. The entire bread has to be soaked in that milk itself. The bread will absorb the milk. And now next I have taken chicken. This is thigh pieces, boneless chicken thigh pieces I have taken. That is the juicier chicken pieces I would say. I am just going to mince it, not too fine. Little chunks also is okay. For this recipe you can also use minced meat, that is chicken mince. And then along with that I will be adding the bread which we soaked in milk. You can also soak it in water also, no worries. I have just added 1 egg, salt to taste, chili flakes, pepper powder and garlic powder. That's all. Very minimum ingredients we will be adding. Nicely give it a good mix, and now our paste or the dough for the chicken nuggets is very much ready. Remove it in a bowl and keep it in fridge for at least half an hour. It will be a little sticky dough. If you want, you can also add little bit of corn flour in this to make it a little tight, but I am not doing it. I kept it in fridge for half an hour, and then next I have prepared the homemade breadcrumbs. To that I will be adding little bit of corn flour, salt and Italian seasoning. I am giving Italian seasoning is optional. I felt I needed more corn flour, so I am adding it again, and now our corn flour breadcrumb mix is ready, and I have taken an egg. To that I will be adding little bit of milk and beat it and keep it aside. Now let's start making our nuggets. Chicken nuggets are always made small and tiny in rough different shapes, but today I will be making little bigger. In iftar we love to have little extra, so I am making little bigger in shape only. Not necessary the shape should be perfectly oval, round or anything like that. Just any rough shape with spoon also will do. Very easy recipe is also there which I tried after this, and it came out so perfectly well. That also very soon I will be sharing. Just give it an egg wash and just coat it with the breadcrumbs, and your nuggets are very much ready. See how nice nuggets. Usually we will make half of this size, but for iftar I am making little bigger in size. That's it. You can simply roll it, the ball itself, in egg wash and do it this way also. It is much more easier. Whichever you feel comfortable you can try. Where I prepared all the nuggets couple of days back itself and kept it in the freezer. Whenever you keep in the freezer, line it with cling foil so that it does not stick to each other, and you can keep it in the freezer. Whenever you need to fry these nuggets, thaw them, that is keeping them out of the freezer for at least half an hour to 1 hour, so that they will be cooked all through inside without leaving any moisture within the nuggets. See how nice puffed up and nice crispy from outside, and they are very juicy from inside. Sure, try this recipe. You can always serve this with any dips or simply with ketchup also. I make this even for iftar along with the side of ash in my house. Very soon I will be sharing another quick and easiest way of making nuggets also. Keep watching. Hope you all like this recipe. If you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. Thanks for watching. Soon I will be back with another video. Until then, stay safe, take care and goodbye.